You can look it on net. I'm just watching what she's doing.
Hankwee Jr. is getting something to do with Johnny Cash awards tonight.
He gets that shit on my sofa. You and me are gonna have it out, y'all.
Toby Keith he's got restaurants, hats that are gonna be at Walmart, all kinds of stuff. He said cookie hire for his restaurants to oversee all the restaurants as far as being a cook. He said they had a meeting and he was looking and they had pecan batter and catfish or something. And he was like, no. He said, you can't do this. He said, dude, we gotta have a bologna sandwich on him. He said the guy laughed at him. He said they had a meeting about 2 months later and he wanted to know what was the hottest item on the menu.
Excuse me?
Bologna sandwich. That'd be me.
Taylor, set the tea on the table. Chelsea, you want tea?